fireworks. I'm also a little hungry. I'm also on the wrong floor. I live in a big city like New York or LA. You know, it's firework time. And it's really not a lot of fun just hearing them in your apartment. So I'm gonna go out and explore. I got some foods I'm gonna eat and then I'm gonna take another walk. So before I do anything else, basically my favorite 7-Eleven meal, which is instant black bean noodles and egg and cheese. It's real simple. Jabagetti, which is not how you say it. And I fried an egg and put some cheese on that egg. My secret is when I put in my instant noodle seasonings, I add a little bit of wasabi paste and a pat of butter, which is a word I like. Pat of butter. And I also got some champagne to celebrate this wonderful day. I think you all know it's July 4th, so happy Black History Month, because Black History Month is what? Every month. Limited edition Pride Barefoot bottle. So now that my drink is now that I'm drinking my drink, eating my noodles, I feel ready for an adventure. I've always wondered how is it and why do fireworks go off in the middle of the city like this? There's just buildings, people everywhere. It's coming from the rooftops. People are launching it from the rooftops. Oh shit. Chill. So in the process of getting food, getting drink, coming upstairs, having a meal, I met a guy in my building and we took a walk together. I had a mask and he was a nice guy and he was a fit guy, and now I'm gonna go back to my apartment and finish the other half of that champagne bottle. But I guess all I'm trying to say is happy Black History Month.